What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I restored this leak from this to this using a really cheap gel, no got to be, no eco styling gel. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, this is what the hair is looking like. Like I said, it is really looking very old already. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put towel in water, squeeze it out a little bit and use it to clean my hair of any dirt or dust. You know how gel can attract dirt easily. Alright, after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and spray water on it. So once I'm done spraying the hair with water, I'm going to go ahead with this small comb and clear my patterns just to, to make it to look neater in case there is any hair hanging in between. Okay. And then this is the gel that I will be using. The name is Petals. It is a very cheap and affordable gel, but because I've not used it before on my natural hair, I was really scared. Like, I don't know if it's going to leave flakiness on my hair and scatter the, and make my hair appear all white, which will then lead to me washing it off and starting all over again. So, but the moment I started applying this gel, I really loved it. Like, look at how smooth it was just going. There was nothing, it wasn't even showing any sign that it was going to leave my hair white. And this is the back. So far I applied a whole lot because I don't want to risk this hair scattering the next day. Okay guys, so this video is actually a follow-up video from the previous video I made, the video where I made this style. Like I said, I've already done this style, so this is like the next day the style turned to what you saw earlier, and then I said to restore it back. So this is a follow-up video from the previous video. Now if you've not watched the beginning of this video, please go ahead and watch it after this one to understand better what I am doing or how we come to this part. Okay. Alright guys, so what I was doing essentially was I would apply gel, I would brush the hair, apply more gel. If I notice that I need to apply more, I apply more. So some of the mistakes that I made from the beginning was that I was afraid to apply gel on my hair. The first reason being that I don't like using too much gel on my hair, and then the second reason was that I was using a very expensive gel, so I didn't want to use all of it or half of it on one hairstyle. So what you have to do is to apply enough gel, like apply quite enough. If your hair is short, then cut the hair small, bit by bit, apply gel, cut again bit by bit, like that, apply gel. Like I said, please watch the first video, you understand better. All right, so then that's the first thing that you have to do. You have to apply enough. If you are using expensive gel like me and you're feeling somehow about applying too much gel, then please get these Petals. This is 400 and it's very affordable. And the hold, they said strong hold on the body. It is indeed strong hold. Okay, I am not advertising anything, they don't know me. But this is me helping sisters who want to look cute this December without breaking the bank. So the second mistake that I made was not allowing the hair to dry properly. All right, so that is what you see me do here. I have to now tie the hair and use hair dryer and dry it, but like 50% dry, and then the rest dried overnight. So I just dried using the hand dryer for like 50% dry, and then I tie another hair tie and went to bed. Okay, and then the rest dried up overnight. So that's the second mistake that I made, and that's the mistake that you don't want to make. First, apply quite a lot of gel because our 4C hair is strong and so it takes time to sleek. And then please tie it down and let it dry for quite let it at least dry 70 5% before you open it. So this is the next day, you all, and this is still the same ponytail that I used, but I'm trying to like divide it now because the first time it was very fuller, okay? And so I said to divide it, and then I'm going to show you how I properly fix this loop, because I'm sure I didn't show it in the first, I didn't quite capture it in the camera the first time. So this is all you have to do. Please watch. I don't know what I'm going to explain, but just watch what I'm doing, and I hope you get it, okay? And then pass the second rope like that, and then you're good to go. You're good to go. See, you don't have to break the bank, okay? And so I'm going to apply water just to help me brush the hair with my hands so easily. So if you don't have this kinky, you can just, if you have old attachment, you can brush the old extension like attachment, you can brush it out, then braid it, soak it inside water. When you bring it, when it's dry properly, bring it out, loosen the braids, and it's going to give you beautiful coil too, okay? Then you cannot attach it to your hair. So this is the moment. Let's see what the hair is looking like. All right, I was so excited trying to open this hair. On the count of 3, 2, 1. So now it is properly dried. Like, I can wear it like this for a week. All I have to do is to just spray a little water on my hands and brush any fly away, or just put a little a little gel on my hand, just like cream, and then press it down my hair, and I'm good. All right, so I wanted to wear this. I said no, let me show you what the back is looking like first. Now this is what the back is looking like. You can tell that it is properly dried compared to the one earlier. Now let's attach this ponytail. It is quite easy to attach. This is all you have to do, okay? And then flip it down, and then you can use a bobby pin to hold this part. I'm sure that I captured it in the first video. Please go check the first video. So this is what the hair is looking like. Oh, you don't have to go to salon to look cute. Save your coin this December 6th. Sit in the comfort of your home and achieve this cute style, okay? Now, how to maintain this style? Before you go to bed, you can choose to remove the ponytail, which is what I do. You can choose to remove the ponytail and remove the bobby pins so that you don't harm your hair. And then you tie your hair. If there is a flyaway, any bit of flyaway, then spray a little water on your hand, then brush your hair down with it. You can apply a little gel also, just a little. Rub it in, then tie your scarf, your satin scarf, and tie another scarf on top, because that first one might pull off while you're sleeping. So when you finish tying it, then you go to bed. The next morning, remove it. You're going to still get a beautiful slick, okay? All right, so this is another style for this same slick. You can choose to put it on a bun like this, and it still looks very, very nice, okay? Alright, my loves, I've been talking without telling you to do our ritual. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up. Alright, subscribe to my channel if you are here too, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you. Please don't leave without subscribing to this channel and be a member. I love you all so much. Compliment of the season, and I'll see you all in my next video. Ciao ciao. Mwah.